How you doing? Louis Camino with Arborist LA. So this is our follow-up video of these olive trees we went ahead and pruned. Now if you notice, they're nice and full. A lot of times homeowners, they hire individuals, they come out and they just remove 90% of the tree's foliage. Well, that's not in the best interest of the tree. When you prune, you want to prune with a purpose, and that purpose is not to have a negative impact on the health of the tree. So we were able to do some structural pruning, pick and choose which branch we want to perform, direct that growth up and out, but at the same time, we left privacy for the homeowner here. So again, the olive trees are on a good path. They're doing what their intended purpose was when they were planted, provide a nice screen and really showcase that beautiful gray-green foliage there throughout. So just another tip, you don't need to remove all the leaves off of a tree when you prune it. 25% states ANSI standards of foliage can be removed, and that's exactly what we did here. So when you think sustainability, think Arborist LA.